Probably shouldn't have got so baked before I did this. I shouldn't have done it. I shouldn't have hit the bone hit. I should not have done it. I had two. And now I don't have the train of thought. It's going, woo, woo. What were we doing? Oh yeah. Colin, you'll be editing this. And so I can basically say whatever I want and you'll edit it, which is great. I thought I'd say cheers to our viewers and cheers to all you fellow riders and future riders. I hope that we've inspired you a little bit to get out and ride today and to push beyond your comfort zone. I just wanted to take a second to thank you all for subscribing and watching. I would love to hear about what you guys are running for tires and mods you guys are doing and good places to ride and people that want to ride with us. I'd love to hear from you. Alright, so in the main cave, post my first day of recording as the only Colin, but with a noob, my buddy Mike, rookie rider, slammed. One slam today, one good slam in a place I probably shouldn't have taken him, but he said he was feeling confident. Shit happens when you party with trail trash. Alright, Mike on the XT250. I would say he is a beginner rider, 100%. Still uncomfortable standing on the bike. Super ballsy though. Oh, the super is ballsy. Ooh, the super ball's on him. Oh, there he goes. Yeah, I didn't expect it to be this muddy. Are you okay? And then a good burn later on in the evening with our good friend Brody. Not on XR650L, on the FX 450.
Full send!
That thing has way more than enough power to get back up that thing. Street legal. That thing is a monster. I took it for a rip. Kind of. I got it probably halfway through fourth gear with a good pull and scared the shit out of myself. That thing is unreal. It almost doesn't even make sense.
Do it up, bro.
So,
You'll have more fun the more on the gas you are. Like it'll just plow through stuff if you're on the gas. There it is.
oh my Jesus Christ.
Come on to her.
Oh, yeah. Oh my God, this is fucking terrifying. Oh, this is scary. Holy fuck. Oh my Jesus Christ. Oh, no thank you. Thank you, no thank you. Holy crap. And decided that was probably more than any amount of bike that I'd ever need off-road. It was ridiculous. Like, the KTM 790 Adventure pulls hard. this pulled like it was gonna pull my arms out of their socket. It was foolish. It was a really, really fun day. Also, I'm thinking about doing some suspension modifications on the DR. Budget is not huge, so best bang for my buck is what I'm looking for. I'm also wondering what's gonna make the biggest difference past a new shock, new spring. I found that the tires you put on your bike really make a difference in its performance. I really love the Pirelli MT21s. Their off-road performance is great, but as far as a dual sport tire, they just don't get the wear. They don't have the life, and I know they're super aggressive, but for what you pay, I feel like you should get more. And I wonder if I'm the only person saying that out there. Now, I'm hard on a back tire, very hard on a back tire, but I see what the Motos are doing on the V-Strom, and they're quite an aggressively knobby tire. And then I look at what the MT21s are doing on my bike, which, like, there's 100 pounds difference, and I see how much life he's getting out of those, and it makes me wonder. I was trying to thank our viewers for watching and subscribing and liking, and I'm seriously reaching out to our viewers to go for rides, and those of you that are more experienced riders, I would super love to go for rides with you and learn some new things and improve on my skills and find some new trails. So if you're local and in the 902, then hit us up. We'd love to hear from you. We'd love to go for a ride. Yeah. Thanks for liking and subscribing. Get out and ride.